Good morning, my peeps. How are you doing? Daddy here. Decided to vlog about my trip to RUSIZI. Today I'm going to RUSIZI National Park with Sarah here. Yes, remember her at Teza, the vlog at Teza? Today we're going to RUSIZI and going to see hippos, crocodiles, Sarah. Crocodiles. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day, good adventure. Stick with me and I'll show you around my country, my beautiful Burundi. Yes, yeah, we have like good weather today. It's not so much sunny, it's just average. Yeah, not too hot. Yes, so I'll film when we get there because now we are on the way to Gatumba. RUSIZI National Park is in Gatumba. So wish us all the best. See you in a bit. Yes, here we are around Buyenzi. We are around Buyenzi on my way to RUSIZI.
Burundi is a perfect country to live, and
Yeah.
it's all not that well like in other countries, but it's also a country. You should
Yes.
know that.
Yes, it's a country to visit.
And it's
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
Mommy, but sometimes you can be scared of crocodiles. You need to wish us good luck.
Yeah.
Мы едем в Казанку, где я Вамила. Ну прямо дальше едем.
Прямо вот здесь, следующий переход.
Садись.
Dive into life with ODL TV. Meet people, discover desire. Flow modes in every scene. Our understanding lifts us higher. A mirror to our hopes and dreams. Diverse lives, new perspectives glow. A strong impact we grounded here. Positive and true for all. Look around, we are here. For you, for me, and for our voices. Together now we go further. ODL TV hand in hand. In Burundi, hearts beat strong. Stories touch, also sincere. The journey to know yourself, to love and see so much clearer. A fairer world with every step. Bonds are woven, faith is deep. Our history, our duty calls. ODL TV for us to see. Look around, we are here. For you, for me, and for our voices. Together now we go further. ODL TV hand in hand. Look around, we are here. For you, for me, and for our voices. Together now we go further. ODL TV hand in hand. Waking up to sunshine in a world that's so bright. Different lives we realize, gonna make it right. Places we explore, people we adore. Lifestyles blending me in our life's heartbeat. Our daily lives on OBLTV. Sounds and others on your screen. Making changes, I believe. Together we can dream. Interacting hand in hand. Building a better land. Community so grand. Take a stand. Our daily lives on OBLTV. Cells and others on your screen. Making changes, I believe. Together we can dream. Interacting hand in hand. Building a better land. Community so grand. Take a stand. Our daily lives on OBLTV. Cells and others on your screen. Making changes, I believe. Together we can dream. Understanding souls embrace. In every friendly phase. Situations we view. Learning something new.
OTA TV, plongé dans la vie. Rencontre des gens, découvre l'envie. Explore les modes et les situations pour enrichir notre compréhension. Comme un miroir de nos espoirs. Des vies diverses, des nouveaux regards. Pour notre communauté, un impact fort. Positif et vrai jusqu'à nos portes. Regarde autour, nous sommes là. Pour toi, pour moi et pour nos voix. Ensemble nous irons plus loin. ODLTV, main dans la main. Au Burundi, au cœur de nos terres. Des histoires qui touchent des cœurs sincères. Un voyage pour mieux se connaître. Pour mieux aimer et mieux paraître. Un monde plus juste à chaque pas. Derrière ce petit chacun de nous y croit. Notre histoire, notre devoir. ODLTV pour y voir. Regarde autour, nous sommes là. Pour toi, pour moi et pour nos voix. Ensemble nous irons plus loin. ODLTV, main dans la main. Regarde autour, nous sommes là. Pour toi, pour moi et pour nos voix. Ensemble nous irons plus loin. ODLTV, main dans la main. Regarde autour, nous sommes là. Pour toi, pour moi et pour nos voix. Ensemble nous irons plus loin. ODLTV, main dans la main. Au Burundi, au cœur de nos terres. Des histoires qui touchent des cœurs sincères. Un voyage pour mieux se connaître. Pour mieux aimer et mieux paraître. Un monde plus juste à chaque pas. Derrière ce petit chacun de nous y croit. Notre histoire, notre devoir. ODLTV pour y voir. Regarde autour, nous sommes là. Pour toi, pour moi et pour nos voix. Ensemble nous irons plus loin. ODLTV, main dans la main. Regarde, autour, nous sommes là. Pour toi, et pour nos voix.
On the beach side, these are the beaches around along the road to Gatumba. So this is Eden Garden Resort. Yeah, all the famous beaches. This is Club du Lac Tanganyika. Yes, all the famous beaches along this road in Burundi. That's where you find them. So yeah, on our way to Rusizi to explore the park with the many atrium, with the many wildlife such as birds, crocodiles and hippos. Yeah, Burundi is beautiful. So, yeah, this is Yucca and World Beach. There's World Beach. Yes, this is Kajaga, second beach. We are in Kajaga. Black and white beach. Yeah, this is spots 257. Caravan beach. Yeah, there's Usuri Beach, Mutima Beach. Yeah. It's a road trip. It's quite a road trip. Yeah. So see you when we get there. Rusizi is the river in which goes collects all the waters from all other rivers in Burundi and channels it to the lake Tanganyika. So it's like yeah, that's where all the water from the rivers meets Tanganyika. Yeah, it's Yucca Beach. Yeah. See you soon. Talk to you again soon. As soon as we get there, I'll start filming again. Guys, you must understand we are at the beach, so it's windy. It's windy this side. Like, yo, the hair is like flying. We decided to open the windows of the car. Yeah, we didn't want to use AC, so yeah. Tanganyika flooded this place. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's so windy, but Tanganyika flooded all these areas. See? No, I can't show you properly. Let me turn the camera around, then you'll see how Tanganyika flooded this. There it is. Yeah.
Some nights the hippo comes the road and they're walking out of speed.
Yeah. Just behind those bushes is Tanganyika.
Sometimes they pass like
You see? There is Tanganyika. Oh, We are going here. Rusizi. Here we are. Here we are. Yeah. We're getting in. There you are. Yeah, this is what we expect to see. Tanganyika has even flooded this place.
But before it was even more places, but because
Yes, yes, this is the Rusizi. Yes, this is Sarah again.
yeah, there's some
And
insects.
her younger brothers. Yeah, insects. Yeah, this is Rusizi. The water didn't used to reach this level, this side. It used to be dry around here, but now it's marshy land, like the marsh. It's like a marshland or something. Yeah, I don't know what they call it. Yeah, look at the birds already. See the birds. Yeah. So when you come here, mostly is to view the birds, the wildlife, crocodile, hippos. I wonder if there is no hippo hiding in this bush and then sneaking up on me. Those are the boats that we must use, yes, to visit Rusizi. There it is. There it is. Yeah. There is Rusizi. Let me go back. Oh, Sarah and friends, they are already fishing. Yeah, the water has flooded even the reception side. Yes, Sarah. Yeah, there is the staff. When you get here, you have to have a fee.
Mika, press me.
There's the little one, Mika. Yeah, even kids. You can bring your kids. So yeah, this is Rusizi. So I'll video when we are in the boat taking a stroll on the river. Okay, y'all, I love you. Yes, the lady is going to explain to us. Yeah, the lady is going to. This is Irina. Mado, say hi. She's the caretaker of the establishment. Yes, she's going to explain to us in a nutshell about the tourist site of RUSIZI National Park. Yes, guys, come. Oh, they are putting them life vests. Ini sawa. Leo ndakomeye. Wumvise ko yamenye n'ikirundi. Buhoro yego gike. Yeah. Yes.
The best teacher is children.
Yes. Yeah, children they teach fast. Yeah. Yeah, you see everyone is wearing their life jackets. And the little one, Mika. Oh, like a jacket you miss Mika. Nari kuzana abana banje nanje ariko tuzoza. Naje guhonja gusa nzoca ngaruka. Oya, bwari ubwa mbere. nari mfise indikuzi imbanyi ikuzi wa musi sinagiye kandi ko twari ko dukora bijya bikorwa ego yo
Two sectors, primary sector and data sector. Here we are in data sector. The first thing we see before to do the boat ride is the bridge one. When you see this bridge, it means we are not far to the Burundian and Congolese border. The second thing will be hippos, crocodiles, and different type of birds. Burundian and migrant birds. Many migrant birds this time. We will see in the RUSIZI river, the hippos are living in families. They are past all the night in the farmer to eat grass and coming back in the morning in the water to sleep and relax. Every day, every hippo is eating 50 kilos of grass.
50 килограмм в день.
Yeah. And crocodiles eat fish. They are sharing everything except food. We will see also what the RUSIZI is mixed with Tanganyika Lake. It's my favorite place to be when I see the challenge of the different colors of water, the brown and blue. It's so incredible, phenomenal, amazing, crazy. It's my favorite place because the blue color is my favorite. And you see the brown mix is so, for me, so crazy.
yeah.
Yes, and the Tanganyika Lake is the second deepest lake in the world after Baikan, deepest and the large after Baikan to Russia. Yes, the meter of deep is 2,000 meters of deep and 243 species of fish. And in the lake we have one unique race you can find in the Tanganyika Lake is mukeke. Mukeke is a race of the fishes, but is a unique you can find in Tanganyika, and in 4 countries we share the lake: Burundi, DRC, Tanzania, and Zambia. Only 4 countries. Only. Yes, DRC is Congo, Republic Democratic of Congo, and the source normally of RUSIZI is coming this way, Kivu, DRC. It's passing to Rwanda and Burundi. From Congo we call it RUSIZI. To Rwanda is Akagera River, and here is RUSIZI. But the difference is just to right. In Congo is RUSIZI. The first Z in Burundi is S. It's only the difference by the name is staying the same. And when they are passing under the lake, it's going again to Congo. For another river we call Rukuga River. Rukuga tip to Fleuve Congo, Fleuve Congo tip to Atlantic Ocean. And it will be the end of RUSIZI. This is the map of the RUSIZI National Park. I welcome you and enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Today, your tour guide will be Elia.
Right.
Today I'm not good. I'm feeling sick.
You are not feeling well, my dear. I'm sorry. Get well soon.
Yes.
Get well soon.
So much.
You are welcome. And you are my lovely Irina. You know I love you so much.
Yes.
You get better.
Okay. That is so much infection.
Guys, so after all the explanation done by the manager here, we have to go board that boat. It's a speed boat. Yeah, it's powered by the engine. It has, so they're there, my friends. Everyone is getting on board. Wish us luck. I'm scared of waters, but I think I'll be good. I have a phobia for small boats, but yeah, here's everyone on board, even the kids. Let me get in, then me too. I need to be in the picture. Good Rabino, Hope Rabin. Yeah. So, we're getting. There's our boat.
Which way are we looking?
Operators. Yeah, I can call them operators. Yeah. Oh, Lev has got binoculars. You are well equipped. He's well equipped. So. Oh yes, I should
Can
look.
I see how small?
Yeah. We are on the Lake Rusizi. First time doing this adventure. But yeah, this is my country. I needed to do this because I've always heard Rusizi, a trip to Rusizi. Then yeah, here I am today. I'm bracing for whatever happens. Yeah,
Wait, let me sit here.
we need to balance the boat. They say kids should be in the middle so that they are like yeah. Aha ni sawa twebwe twicaye. Lev. Ngaha. Aha. Aha. Gutya. Sawa.
Abana ni mubashiri akati.
Gutya.
Cyangwa kumaha ni.
Aha ni sawa. Yeah. Yay. There's the engine.
Just have a tiny head.
Where did you get binoculars? May I have this one? Oh yeah, I'm giving also binoculars to see the birds properly better.
I think if you can and I check this out.
Arina has got the camera ready. Yeah.
Can I see yours? Yours? This is
Yeah, it's not easy. I've been on a boat before, a small boat like this, and I remember we were going to Congo, and that day it was hectic. It was at night. There was no electricity, and we crossed to Congo.
Мама, могу сюда сесть?
Can you take a picture of us?
Oh, okay. A picture, not okay.
Сюда сесть.